Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2017 Murano S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cashmere cloth seat trim, B94, rear bumper protector, B92, splash guards, magnetic black metallic, L92, carpeted floor mats and cargo mat, Z66, activation disclaimer, M92, cargo package included, cargo net cargo area protector retractable cargo cover first aid kit, front wheel drive and power steering. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.